Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look at the cryptocurrencies. So in general, setup that we discussed last time partially has been completed. So market has shown ABCD performance reaching the nearest standing target, which is the just 618 extension of this AB leg. So potentially we said that market could reach OP. So reaching 3440 area, reaching this nearest standing resistance level, forming clear ABCD pattern that I will show you a bit later on the follow time frame chart, and actually we have shown you last time in this previous update. On the daily chart, despite this recent pullback triggered by the statistics that we've got recently, very similar performance you could see on the Forex market, for example. This also shows the balance. But with the cross market analysis that we see currently, in particular speaking, the 10-year interest rates, where market is forming a head and shoulders, we think that Bitcoin keep chance on creeping a bit higher, and could show the second leg until it could try to do this. If we suggest that the hand shoulders starts to work properly and we will get extension on the interest rates with this A, B, C, D pattern somewhere to the maybe 2.5 level of the interest rates, that should support the stock market, that should support the Bitcoin. Of course, we are entering in a turbulence with this ADP report today, non-farm payrolls released tomorrow. So all could bring in lots of volatility and, well, could crush any patterns that are forming. But in general, since potential this pattern is bearish and suggests dropping of the interest rates, Bitcoin correspondingly should creep higher if this pattern starts work as it should. So besides, based on the technical approach, you could see that the trend stands bullish, and this retracement should be faded against the strong support intraday area, and it's possible to consider taking the long position. Additionally, you could keep an eye on the possible flirting with the MACD predictor line here. That could give us the, although it stands a bit far, but who knows, maybe later a bit we will get some grabber as it possible not right now on the euro currency, for example, in the gold market. So currently, despite this pullback that we have, yes, it seems a bit strong out from the just COP target, but in general it has not crushed the short-term bullish context. On the lower time frame, you could see that market stands at the support 2970 is first fib level, 30% pullback out based on the SCOP, and that's the level that we could consider for a possible position taken. The only problem here is that currently at this level market has not formed any bullish reversal patterns. On the 4-hour time frame chart, on the hourly chart, nothing. It just has dropped and stands here, and we do not see yet the clear signs that market intends to reverse. But with just using the cross market analysis that I have shown you on the 10-year yield, you could take a look at the gold, you could take a look at some Forex currencies. All of them are preparing to show upward action. And from that standpoint of view, theoretically, you could consider also possible taking a position, especially because you do not need to place too far standing stop. So here, as you can see, 30% support on the hourly chart. This is also 618 support, 2967. So currently market stands in the strong confidence support, trying to show the bounce. So you have actually a few options. So as you can see, as I said, no clear patterns yet. So some kind of the ABCD action, nothing special. And here you have to decide if you still would like to take the position. You could try to do this without patterns placing stop below this area, or your option is wait for patterns. So you're waiting for some forming, I don't know, maybe market will form here or something. Head and shoulders, butterflies, the usual patterns that we are watching for. There's two major approaches that might be formed. That's actually all that we have on cryptocurrencies. So currently I wouldn't consider taking the short position by far. First, because market stands in the strong support. Second is because other market point on a possible retracement which is also probably should happen in some degree on the Bitcoin market as well. So for taking a long position, we already have discussed, so you either need to wait for a clear patterns, or you could take the risk, try and take position right there, placing stop below and just see what will happen, just because market stands in strong support and other markets suggest that some pullback has not the chance to happen within the today's session, tomorrow.